Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 of our 30-day video challenge, and I was out here cleaning up around the sawmill and around the sawmill shed, just doing some normal cleaning. And I had remembered a project I've been meaning to do for a while that I have yet to do, and I thought, you know, it's a good day to do it. I had some other plans, but let's switch it up, get this done while I'm thinking about it, and I'll bring you right over here and show you what it is. Okay, well, for quite a while I've been meaning to put in some gussets up here in the corners of the shed, over there and right over there, just in case we happen to get any snowfall that's major this winter. Usually doesn't happen, but we did have one year we had 4 feet of snow right here, so that would be that would be way too much for that old shed, just kind of hanging out there in the open. So want to get a gusset in here, one over there, maybe something back there. I'm not sure yet on that, possibly. Anyways, hoping to get that done today while we're thinking about it, and no better time to do it than when you're thinking about it, right? So let's get the tractor. I'll hoist myself up with the tractor and see what we can come up with. Let's go check it out. Here we are. The tractor. And I left my tape measure in here. Okay, well, we got a couple little spots cut out. Let's see if you can see that one up there. A little bit wonky, but it'll be all right. Now we're going to go find a couple little logs to put in there as our gussets. So let's see what we can find. You have to hold that side too, though, if you can. Is that fitting good? cinch that down just yet. Another screw. Well, the screw would be helpful. Jiminy. And a battery that wasn't dead would be helpful as well. I think I can reach this one. Different battery. Okay, well, we got that gusset put in, and it turned out pretty decent, kind of sturdy and strong. It's going to be just fine. Anyways, I didn't put this one in. I thought about it for a minute, and I thought, you know what? I got this post here, even though I was going to take it out and put the gusset in. I decided, because I walk through this area so often, that it might not be the best decision to have that hanging down if I'm carrying stuff or whatever. And if a tall guy, one of my tall friends, comes in and bonks his head every time he walks through there. So for now, I'll leave this here. It really hasn't been that big of a pain, so we'll go with it. So sometimes that's the way these projects go. Is, you know, they change as you keep doing them. Well, thanks for coming along with me today on day 2 of our 30-day video challenge here. Took my project and kind of shortened it today because I changed my mind, but like I said earlier, sometimes that's how it goes. Your plans change as you go along, and you know, that's just the way it went today, and I think it's going to work out for the better. So anyways, being said we had such a short video, maybe I'll try to throw out a second video today, maybe of the Alaska trip or something like that. I got a couple of those waiting in the bank, and maybe I'll throw out a bonus one today. We'll see what happens, but here's this one. So tomorrow, don't know what's going on tomorrow, but we'll be back at you. Hope you come back, check us out, like, subscribe, hit that bell if you would, so you get notified tomorrow when our video comes out. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good one.